expect that scientific mining will start this day.
Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren today congratulated Conrad Sangma, who took over as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya for the second term. Hemant Soren, who attended the swearing ceremony of Sangma here at the Raj Bhavan, said that he not only political relationship but even family relationship with the Sangma family, while adding that he is happy as his younger brother Conrad Sangma took the oath as the Chief Minister. Apart from Soren, Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma and host of leaders from different states also attended the ceremony.
संगमा परिवार हमारा राजनीतिक नहीं पारिवारिक रिश्ता भी है और अपने पुराने परिवार को देखकर बहुत खुशी होती है और छोटा भाई जब वोट देता है तो कितनी खुशी होगी आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं। फिर से नई शुरुआत के लिए मैं राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Nationalist